All right, what's going on, everybody? So you already have created your live account when it comes to HugosWay, and you've already funded your live account. Now, if you haven't done those two things, if anything, click on the button at the top so that you can be able to actually get those things done. But if you already have those created, if anything, what you're going to do is you're now going to go to where it says My Accounts. And from My Accounts, you should already have your account right here. You should have your leverage already created. Again, if you don't have this already created, you can be able to actually go to where it says Create Account. And then from there, go to ECN and then create account, pick your leverage and all that other jazz. But if you want more details, go into the video that's at the top right here. So you already have this. What I want you to do is I want you to go to where it says View. And from View, you're going to have your account already created right here. Right? This is going to be your actual account number right here. And then from there, when you go to Actions, it's going to actually show you your password. So with this broker, you're not going to be able to actually create your actual password. In my opinion, that's actually really good, because what's happening with this one is it says the password changes happening immediately and are restricted to system-generated passwords only. So in my opinion, I think this is a really good deal, because let's say somebody gets your password, they can be able to actually mess up your account. I've had a friend of mine actually lose over $100,000 because somebody knew his password and just wanted to mess him over, which is unfortunate. But that, in my opinion, I think this is a really, really good perk when it comes to HugosWay. So what you're going to do is this password right here. If you want that password, what you're going to do is you're going to click where it says Submit. It has changed my password. Now this is my actual password right here. So I'll take that. So first, I'm going to do it on a computer, and then I'm going to do it on the cell phone. Okay, so we're going to go to the computer, and from there, you see how it has the actual thing right here. All right, so let's say I have my MetaTrader 4 already created. I'll go to where it says File, Open Account, and then from there, if I don't have HugosWay at the top here, I'm just going to go to this green button right here, and then from there, you're going to just type in HugosWay, right? You're going to type in HugosWay, and then from there, click Enter. And then from there, it should pop up at the top right there. Okay, so now that you have HugosWay right here, you're just going to click where it says Next, right? And I would suggest not to make a new account or a demo account from here. If anything, a demo account is cool. Real account, I wouldn't do that. If anything, choose the existing account. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to where your actual account number is. You'll just copy that. We'll go back to MetaTrader 4, go to Login, and then from there put that that number in. As for the password, you'll literally just copy this, boom, and then from there put in your actual password. Just make sure that you actually are using a real account. For the server is real if you're using an actual real account. Okay, and then just click Finish, and you're going to want to hear that sound. Right, you're going to want to hear that sound that pops up. You're going to make sure that your actual account is pulled up, and then from there, what you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that this is green and blue. Right now, it's red, but when it's green and blue, the speed is right, and everything is on point, and now you have your actual account on your laptop. Now let's go ahead and do the same exact setup, but let's just do it on our cell phone. So let me just make sure everything is complete when it comes to the cell phone. All right, and then we're going to go on to the cell phone. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. So now you're on your cell phone. You already have MetaTrader 4 already downloaded on your actual cell phone, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to where it says New Account, right? You're going to go to New Account, and you're going to go to where it says Login. Here, this one right here. Log into an existing account, right? And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you type in where it says You're just going to type in Hugo, and then it should pop up right there. And you see where it says HugosWay Real 3. You're going to click on that one. Login. All right, it's going to be the same login information. So 2321325439111. And then the password, I'm just going to type in the same exact password that they gave me from before. Just make sure, it's cap sensitive and all that other jazz. All right. right? Save, you can save the password, and then from there, click where it says sign in, right? And then from there, you're gonna see it pop up right there. So it says, you know, HugosWay real, and then that's where you're gonna have your quotes. So if anything, what I would suggest is, you know, like click at the top right, and from there, what you want to do is make sure that you have all of the pairs that you usually use, you know, open by clicking on the green button to be able to actually have them already pulled up. Now, let's just say, you know, you want to also have crypto. So this is a cool thing about, you know, HugosWay as well. Let's say you want to have your Bitcoin on there. Let's say you want to have your Ethereum on there. You want to make sure it's, you know, I mean, not Ethereum, your Ripple, right? Ripple versus the US dollar. Let's say you have that on there. Let's say you also want to, you know, you can be able to also trade stocks. Let's say you want to, you know, have Facebook on there. I don't know. All right. And let's say you wanted to have, you know, your energies, I mean, your metals on there. So let's just say you want to have your gold on there. You know, you just put on your gold as well. Right. And then you have everything on there. And the spreads, as you can see, are very, very small. Understand it's the weekend, and you see how small they are. So just imagine when the actual, you know, market is actually open. So again, in my opinion, you know, HugosWay has been treating me right, and in my opinion, I think it's going to treat you right as well. Hopefully, this video helped you out. Write in the comments if you have any questions at all. If you need any help, you know, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, let me know in the comment section. If HugosWay has been treating you right, let me know in the comment section. And you know, I'll see you on the next video. And you know, I'm excited for you to learn how to be able to actually get into the, you know, into the world of trading. See you on session number 1, and you know, see you on the beaches of the world. Let's become an FX Pro. Yeah, let's get it. Peace.